So now let us get started with the multi-track editor. So we've been editing with the single track editor right here, which only have one audio waveform. So multi-track editor is when you have to mix up some audios. It is very useful then. So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go into new, and over here I'm going to select multi-track session. So here I'm just gonna name it out as tutor tube right here. So I'm gonna say tutor tube right here. And I'm going to choose sample rate as 96,000 because that is what my hardware supports, and the bit depth I'm just going to choose 16 because that is what my audio format is. And now I'm going to just press OK, and here you can see that there are a layer of audio right here. So I have a voice recording of myself, which is what I'm going to import. So I'm just going to click and drag, and there you can see that there I have a voice right there. Hello there. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing well. Alright, so that is my audio clip right there, and what I want to do is I want to cut this out. So I'm just going to go over here, and you can see that the razor icon actually appears. We're going to look at more on editing these layers later in the lesson. So I'm just going to click it, and you can see that these has been divided into two sections now. So I'm just going to click this and delete this out. So here I have my audio. So let us listen to how that sounds like. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing well. Alright, so I want to add in some music over there. So I got Bobby music right here. Let me just click and drag it down over here and hear it out. So it's loading out, as you can see. So usually because this is a different format, it is converting it into 96,000 hertz right here. So let us play that out and hear how that sounds. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, maybe the audio appears too fast, so I can simply click and drag and let my voice come over later in the time period over here. So let me just play that out and hear how that sounds. Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing well. So you can see that you can mix up music like these. So this is what multi-track editor is used for. So you can also like have different instruments like guitar and drums in different layers of audio right here, and then mix that up. So that is what multi-track editor is used for. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.